buddy. How you doing?
How you doing?
Good. You get your license and insurance on you?
Yeah, I'm gonna look for it real quick.
Okay. What's your name?
Philip Ham.
Philip. How about real quick, Philip? Hop out.
What?
Hop out. I'm gonna explain this to you. Okay. You're actually the person that we're looking for, Philip.
For what?
I'm gonna explain it to you. You don't have any guns on you or anything, do you, Philip? Okay. Turn and put your hands up here, okay? All right, listen to me. You're not under arrest right now. You're just being detained, okay? We're getting ready to explain everything to you.
Okay, can I make a call?
In just 1 second, okay? You got your phone in there? It's in your pocket?
Yeah, it's in my pocket.
I got you. Ain't nothing on you that's gonna poke or stick me or anything?
No.
Okay.
No, this isn't my car, by the way.
Okay. Whose car is this?
It's a girlfriend of mine or a friend of mine.
These are tight. All right, let's go right back here. Let me fix this one cuff for you here. Your wrist looks a little uncomfortable. All right. Actually, both wrists look.
Yeah, I was about to say that. Yeah,
both?
The other with this one. Ow!
Okay, there you go. All right, now I'm gonna double lock these so they don't tighten up on you, okay? And really become more a little uncomfortable than what they are. So, stand right here, okay? Here's the deal, Philip. My name is David Clark, all right? I'm a detective in the drug unit of the sheriff's office, okay? So, when these other detectives get here in just a second, we're going to explain some more to you. So who's the owner of this car?
Maggie Smith.
Maggie. Okay.
16 to 48.
Like, just a friend, though.
I got you. Okay.
She's actually asleep at my house.
Says her copy is direct.
You work anywhere?
Like, I do, like, remodeling stuff, you know?
I got you. Okay. All right. Basically, we have a search warrant for you
17 status check.
and your property, okay, on Wheeler. All right.
What's up, you okay, sir? You Mr. Ham?
It's pursuant to an illegal drug investigation, okay? This is Deputy Baldwin. He's going to read you the search warrant, okay?
So, a peace officer in Commonwealth, Kentucky, proof by affidavit having statement made before me by Deputy Lieutenant Baldwin, a peace officer in Kentucky County Sheriff's
I got
Office.
Cross coming. Yeah, I was getting ready to call up because he was.
Wheeler Avenue, Paducah, Kentucky, 42003, McCracken County, the residence of Philip A. Ham, and more particularly described as follows. From the McCracken County Sheriff's Office located at 7th and Clarence Gang Street, Clark Street, proceed north on South 7th and Clarence Gang Street until reaching the Kentucky Avenue intersection. This intersection make a left turn on the Kentucky Avenue.
Okay.
21 break for event.
Make a left turn on the South 19th Street and proceed south until reaching the Jackson Street intersection.
SO 21, go ahead.
Make a right turn on the Jackson Street and proceed west until
1,
reaching the Wheeler
George,
Avenue intersection.
Nora, Edward,
Make a left
Tom,
turn on Wheeler Avenue,
1,
proceed south
3,
until reaching
Mary,
61 Wheeler Avenue
4,
on
6,
the right side of
2,
the street,
3,
which is the residence
4,
of
0,
a
1, 1, 3.
Dark brick single-family dwelling with a covered front porch and a driveway to the right of the residence. Photo of the described property is attached. And/or in a vehicle or described as a silver and colored 2003 Toyota pickup with Kentucky plate.
That's supposed to come back to the Chevy.
A gold Mercedes passenger card. And any
10-4, if it's all
and all
good,
vehicles
put it on
owned
the
and operated
car
by
for me.
any and all persons present during the search warrant service.
10-4, I'll run it.
And/or on the person or persons of Philip A. Ham, white male, DOB 5/19/1985, Social Security number, and any and all persons present during the search warrant service. The following described personal property: any and all items of illegal drugs and/or items of drug paraphernalia, including but not limited to methamphetamine, marijuana, cocaine, heroin, synthetic drugs, or any other types of illegal drugs or items of drug paraphernalia that are in violation of KRS 218A. Any and all monies, firearms, ammunition, firearms, accessories, papers, or documents related to the sale, use, possession, manufacture, or cultivation of illegal drugs. Documents to include any that may be stored electronically, including on cell phones belonging to Philip A. Ham, including, but not limited to, step over here for me, sir. Limited to the form of text messages, contacts, or photos.
Right in front of my car here. I got this. Go ahead.
Upon the above described property or any part thereof, you will seize the property and deliver it forthwith, immediately in accordance with the respect to which the property or things taken is triable or retain it in your custody. subject order of said court, signed February 14th, 2022 by Judge Todd Jones of District Court in McCracken County.
So, Mr. Ham, listen to me, okay? I'm going to read you your rights, okay? Mr. Ham, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court or any other proceedings. You have the right to have an attorney present during questioning. You can afford an attorney to desire one. The court may appoint one for you. You may stop the question any time by refusing to answer further or by requesting to consult with your attorney. Mr. Ham, do you understand each of these rights I explained to you, Mr. Ham? Mr. Ham?
Yeah, I just want to speak with my attorney.
Okay.
Do you want me to attach him to it or close it?
Who wants to speak to his
Probably close
attorney?
it, just D6 for now.
Canine's indicated on this vehicle. We're going to search it too. Just have him have a seat up there.
Hey, Ken, have him have a seat right there.
That's a 48, go ahead. Send a unit over for transport.
Hand up to me through the car here.
What's that?
I was just going to say, hand up to me through the car. The wind.
10-4. 39, I'm out with him.
Yeah.
We'll
10-4.
probably need to get his keys and searching that house over there.
Okay.
Don't tear the door up. Probably need to head on over pretty quick.
Margaret Swift. Margaret Swift's got a variety of pills in there.
Does it look like it all belongs in this right container?
Well, this one's got the label ripped off of it.
SS21, 1084 for readback.
Push button. Lockbox in here.
She's got a couple.
Probably got the keys on you. Go back there and get them.
I know
1
his-
George
I think his
Nora,
phone's in his
Edward
pocket.
Tom, 13, Mike 46,
She got a couple $100 in
401,
here too.
13,
ID.
is that 10-4?
It's obviously her purse.
Here's some weed right here.
That's 10-4, that pen's not showing any valid registration, but I ran all 50, it's coming back in SR.
Hank Brothers True Value. That's
Hey, well, if you add that to the card, I appreciate it, thank you.
Would they have the key or no for a lot?
No, it's just a Century safe.
Oh, okay.
He says that's not his fault. We don't know anything about this place.
Okay.
Let me open it.
Yeah. Does he not have a key?
He don't have a key.
Where's the key to the car?
He said it's not here.
Get his keys and see.
43 on tonight.
Can you open it?
10-4, and then 43.
For keys. Century. In that box too.
Hey, Johnny, can you stove your car?
Yeah.
Hang on. There's another key in here. Hang on.
You got another key in there?
Yeah, I think it's for this.
For the safe?
Yeah, no.
Yep, there you go.
Is there another safe key?
No. Alright. Take underneath that seat. That's number one.
There's some money up here.
Yeah.
Did you get that marijuana out of
Yep.
there?
Have some weed on? Yeah. That's there in the car.
Right now, this is stuff here. We're gonna go search his house.
Any residue in that or anything?
Let's see.
Here, hang on. Yeah, let me just. Let's just pop that real quick.
Piece right there. Right here. Just get him loaded up. We need to get over to this house.
It's turning blue. Hey,
Okay.
turning blue right there. You see it?
Yeah, let's just park that car. Pull it up here. Can you pull it over here and park it in this pocket and leave it?
You want to take old girl's purse? She got her money in there. She got her ID and stuff.
I'll tell you what.
Hey, you got a rider?
Driving over this way. Okay. Here's the key in case it goes weird. That's not the car key.
Yeah, the car key's in her purse. See right there. This is her purse.
Okay, that's fine. Just push button.